So this is the closet before I clean, organize, declutter for my new aesthetic, boho cowgirl. If you watched my last thrift with me video, then you know that's the style I want to try out more, and now I gotta make room for it in my closet. I'm kind of bored of my same old clothes, but it may be not outdated for you. Anything that's still good condition, I'm gonna have my Poshmark. If you're new on Poshmark, you can use my code dressupwithjess for $10 off, and that basically pays for shipping, so check it out. Anyways, the closet's not that bad right now. It just needs to be organized again, and the shoes definitely up top is a little bit messy because I just kind of throw it up there. But pretty much it just needs to be cleaned up and decluttered, of course. Anything I don't want to make more room for.
It's just hard having a small room.
That's why it looks so cluttered. I just don't have enough space for all the items I have. Hopefully one day I'll get my dream walk-in closet, because that's like my dream. So first things first, let's get rid of this shoe thing in the way. It was there because there was no room for it. But now there should be more room because I did move my clothes rack in that corner now. I lost the footage, but I did move my bed and built this little book rack. So cute. I got from Temu for just $10. It's definitely worth it. I put as much as I could in it because I do have a lot of stuff, and then alongside it I put my clothes rack because I think this area is probably going to be more my recording area now. I just need to go through these shoes later. Alright, so I just put my hair up real quick because it's getting hot in here and I haven't really started yet. I'm starting with cleaning out in the closet because I feel like that's what's been messy. The right side already has fall/winter clothes because it's like the long sleeves, jackets, and blouses. I'm just gonna go through and see which ones that I want to keep or put it in the right section. Sneezing already. So the first section will make long sleeves again. Then the second section is gonna be sweaters. Yeah, I haven't got rid of any of them yet because they're all cute and I love them. But obviously, I don't get to wear them all the time, only during the time that it's cold. Or some is just from when I was in high school, I just can't get rid of. I feel like this could be cowgirl with the smiley face. And if I had like pink cowboy boots, that would totally complete the look. I'm not getting rid of all my clothes that isn't cowgirl or boho theme. If I like something, I'm gonna wear it. What I'm trying to do is just add more to my wardrobe so I can pull it out and wear it. Still be myself, whatever I like. End of the day, you should just wear what you like and you don't have to call it a specific aesthetic. This one, I never actually wore outside a video because it was a trend to have like the sweater vest, but this one's just oversized and I feel like it's not my vibe or my style, even the style that I'm going for now. Alright, so we made it, looks like, to the flannels, and there's a lot of flannels. It's hard for me to get rid of them, but it is flannel season, so should probably keep it. I have really just jackets over here. Let me fix it where the button-ups that are not like flannels or plaids next to it. And then I'm gonna add probably denim jackets and cardigans. Jackets, and I like to put my leather jackets in the back so they don't get any sunlight on it because they're already falling apart. So denim jackets, it's for sure like a cowgirl thing, so I'm gonna keep all my denim jackets. They're kind of pricey and they do go with a lot of things, so definitely something you want to add to your wardrobe if you don't already own. I really like this butterfly hoodie, but it has a lot of wear. It didn't last that long, and I got it brand new. I have so many cardigans, but you never know what color or what kind that's gonna go with your outfit, right? So that's why I keep them all. This blazer, I feel like it's just not, it's too business-like for me. See, it looks very professional. You know, I don't have anywhere to wear it to, just, you know, just for a video, be like business casual or... So I might just sell it to give it to someone else to actually wear it. Technically, this isn't like a real cardigan. It doesn't keep you warm at all. I always wear it for the trend where it's like a metallic looking trend. This is not to clutter this section, as you can see. The other side, other hand, is a little bit cluttered. I can't really get into any clothes always. That section is done. Let me see if there's anything that new or anything that I didn't get to hang up and put it in there. Perfecto. So the next section is short sleeves, tank tops, bodysuit, dresses, and rompers.
Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up on the wrong side.
Every time I do these closet clean out, I'm having a hard time getting rid of things. And I still gotta go through, not in this video, but I'm gonna go through the stuff that I was gonna get rid of. Maybe I wanna add it back in my closet.
This candle is about to burn out, but I spend all of my time filling my head with the doubt.
I can't get rid of my leopard prints. This was actually, I think, last closet clean out. I was gonna put this up to sell, but I ended up wanting to wear it again because it's kind of like the coastal cowgirl look.
Knows that I would never see this through. No, I'll never be quite like you.
Oh, I definitely need that. Literally. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you just need every color tank top. You never know. You might need that color tank top. It has to go. I literally never wear this anymore, but I literally wore this the first day of senior year. Not the first day, my bad. I remember the first day was jeans. Or was it the junior year? Whatever it was, it hadn't been the first week of senior year. I remember wearing this with the skirt, and I wore a tank top, a white tank top underneath, so it wouldn't show my belly because it is a crop top. But that's how you can get away with it. Obviously, cover up your tummy. But it needs to go. It's, you know, wore out. It's just, it's one of my favorite tops. It's hard to get rid of. I feel like this can go with a cowgirl look if you just wear like one of the cowgirl skirts or something. Cute, perfect for summer, but you can easily style it for fall. Probably add like a denim jacket and the cowboy boots. I feel like last closet cleaner I said if I don't wear this, I'm gonna probably sell it next time. You just need a lot of tank tops in Florida, let me just tell you that one. So, okay, getting closer to the closet. Okay, so we finally made it to the dresses and rompers. See, I got a lot of workout dresses. Sometimes I just wear for casual wear as well, especially when it's hot out. Oh, the Barbie video I got this for. I still haven't got to really wear it, but I feel like I could still wear it. You know, it was not that long ago.
Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days
Honestly, this looks like a great pirate outfit with this dress. And I like this dress. I just haven't had perfect occasion to wear it too.
on the wrong side of my head, and I got all these eyes on me, staring at me through.
The funny thing is, the wedding I went to recently, I seen someone wear like a dress like this. I really like it, but I don't really have anywhere to wear it to. So the overalls are these two. I probably haven't made an outfit with them for a while because they weren't really in style. So I tried to do what's trendy, but now I'm at the point where I don't really care about the trends much. Maybe I'll just acknowledge it, but I'm not gonna really get an outfit because of the trends. So I'm gonna put up the clothes I'm keeping back in the closet and their sections. Overalls and rompers. And while I'm doing that, I might as well add in the new clothes with it. I think I'm going to do something a little different with the sections. Instead of having the rompers in the back where I can never get to, I'm going to put them in the front and maybe I'll grab it this time. With the overalls, I feel like I forget about them because they're all in the back. I'm going to do something different with the tank tops. So let's put them in the back. Maybe work for it. Because I feel like that's something I wear all the time. So we want to try to wear it less unless we're styling it with obviously something. But otherwise, I don't want that to be a main piece of my outfit. So I realized some tank tops are just basic tank tops and some are, you know, it has a design on it. So I probably want to put basic tank tops in the back and then the cooler ones in the front. So I organized the tank tops, and next I'm going to put up the short sleeve shirt. So the dresses fell. Can't see it, but we're going to put up the dresses now. I'll probably make the pile with the workout dresses too because I have a lot of those. Now that I'm in the middle of doing this, I feel like maybe I should put my fancy dresses in the back of the closet since it's not like I'm going to want to grab them every day.
Over there,
I think that worked so much better now that we had those in the back and the dresses and rompers and overalls in the front. That's all the time I'm going to have to do those two sides today. I have to pick out an outfit to wear to a pumpkin patch. I'm going with my best friend today, with her kids, of course. Day 2, cleaning my closet. Picking up where we left off. Now in the closet, we're going to clean out the middle shelves. Right now, they have leggings in it, and I want to put skirts in it now because that's what I want to wear more. Even though it's getting colder, but it won't be that cold. And I do have some tights that have fleece in it, so if it does actually get cold and I want to wear a skirt, I can just throw that on and be warm and cute at the same time. So first, I'm going to remove the leggings, and it also is activewear and other shorts.
If you go slow, cause there's some things I'd never told you. Why I don't.
So I made it to the loungewear or comfy shorts. These shorts, they don't really have a spot. They're not pajama shorts. I mean, you can wear from pajamas, but they're like shorts. Maybe I should let this one go. Now the bottom, I have all like my spandex and shapewear, we should call it nowadays. Now I can move the skirts into the little cubby holes. Yeah, I know Barbie is just chilling there. She happened to be near the area, so I just placed her there. All right, Barbie, you gotta go.
You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus. Got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it. And you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me up.
Now that I put up my old skirts and put it in the cubby holes, I can add in my new skirts I got recently.
You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth. Gotta take it all in. I'm in awe of you.
So I did section it with long skirts first, pencil / form-fitting skirts, flowy ruffle skirts, denim skirts, skirts. Alright, so now let's clean up this mess and start organizing it.
Girl, I can't stop listening. No, I'll never get enough.
So here's all my workout shorts, or not all workout. Some are casual because it's like biker shorts and they're not really the workout material. So I'll see if I can squeeze that in.
Won't you play it again?
So this one, the second shelf, is the sweatpants and joggers. So I do like these. I'm always scared to wear them because they are white.
Well, maybe it don't show, but I'm on.
Okay, so I think I mixed it with actually flowy pants. That's something boho or even cowgirls can wear.
No one makes my jaw hit the floor like you do. You put a little beat in my.
So I left a little room so I can add in my other pants. So the next section is denim shorts, which I have a lot of, but I've went through it multiple times. So I don't think there's going to be ones I want to get rid of right now. Now, lastly, below is the jeans.
Heart and a little light in my dark, and now it's my turn.
I feel like these are definitely country looking, but these are ones I thrifted. They're both either straight leg or flared.
You got me hooked in like an upbeat chord.
Since I didn't put the pants in yet, I might as well just put the shorts down there now.
My knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your.
Next Next, I organized the shoes that's on top of my closet. A lot of them are for fall or winter, so I want to push those towards the front now, and the summer ones towards the back so I can reach them. And then I also organized my shoes rack so it's less messy and easier to find my shoes. So I moved the shoes to the side because I'm gonna be put on my new hat holder I got from Temu. My hats, I used to put on this shoe thing on the top, but now I have more hats and I need a place to hold them now. So I thought this will work. We'll see how many hats it can hold. You guys can see it there. Now the other two hats I have at the moment, and when I put it on top, I don't think you can put any more hats. I mean, it works, but you can't put any more hats. Oh, I know where I can put it. Back where it was, right? Whew. After doing all of that, I feel like I need some protein or nutrients in my body. So that brings us to today's collab with Protein World. Protein World has lots of tasty protein snacks and shakes. So I highly recommend them, and I want to update you guys on the stuff I got from them in the past. Let's start with the coffee. As you can see, it's already more than halfway empty. Their Slender coffee. It doesn't have just caffeine in it, but green tea. This one I have almost every day. I feel like it does wake me up, exactly what I need it for, and it's healthy. So another thing I like getting from them is their Slender Blend protein shakes, because it gives me so much energy and nutrients. I don't even have to work out. Like today, after cleaning, to wake you up, get your body going for the rest of the day, have your protein shake. It's very filling, even with just water. You don't even have to do the milk one. Like I've been saying, they have good tasty protein snacks, and this is why I love to get a snack. You know, not a snack, but like a dessert. They're mug cakes. They're so good, I can't help myself sometimes. If you're not sold already, I do have a discount code. It's PWJessicaP for 40% off. Like, that's a really good deal. That's a lot. That's almost half off. So I highly recommend you check it out down below, because there's so many flavors and other snacks to try. You can watch my review. I'll have it linked up here if you want to see a full in-depth review. Now let's see the results of my closet clean out. Before, my closet was messy, cluttered, and needed to be organized. And now it's more organized and easier to find clothes to wear, and I have more room for my new clothes. I'm so excited to wear them. Here's the before of my chaotic shelves. It needed a lot of help, but I managed to move things around and make it more tidy and organized. Lastly, the shoes disaster we started with. And now it's much better organized for fall and winter. We'll see how long this will last. That was my closet clean out for my dream wardrobe. It's just so I can add in my new clothes, experiment with the boho cowgirl aesthetic. So I'm still gonna be wearing my other stuff. That being said, wear wherever you want. You don't have to be one aesthetic. I hope you enjoyed this little closet clean out vlog, and I hope this inspired you to clean your own closet out and maybe try a new aesthetic, or just get up and clean out your closet. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more content from me. Have a good day. Bye, girlies.